Hello viewers, today we're going to do an initial checkout on this Uniden 5.8 GHz CXAI 5698 telephone. This, I believe, is the original battery, so this would have been made in 2007. This does not hold a charge. I think it was sitting around for too long and it wasn't disconnected from the handset, so this unfortunately is spoiled. So we'll recycle that, but I think the phone itself probably still works. I changed out the battery in the cordless phone here. This, the caller ID records are from, or at least on here, from 5:30. So it's been, if that was last year, it's been out of service for a long time. The base has caller ID records up until 7/19, so maybe this didn't sit for a while, maybe it just failed. I don't know. Anyways, certainly seems to work. Okay, let's see what we have on the answering machine here. Is that echoing?
Hello. No.
Sorry, you've reached the Perkins. Please leave a message at the tone.
Huh. Let's record a new one. Press greeting key. We do want to delete it. How do we delete it?
Greeting has been deleted.
Okay, I want to record it.
Hello. No one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone. Record. Greeting.
Hello, you've reached a goose. Record a message after the tone. Goodbye.
Hello, you've reached a goose. Record a message after the tone. Goodbye.
Okay, let's see what we have for ringtones on here. That's not what I wanted. Okay. We'll go with that and put auto talk on because I happen to like auto talk. And okay, on the bass, that's fine. And now I want to do
Ring time 6. Cassette ring time. Press select keys. To confirm, press set. Ring time 2.
okay. Get out of this. Exit, exit, exit.
Ring
Nope.
time.
How do we get
Ring
out of here?
time 2.
Okay. So I'll call and I'll leave a message.
Hello, you've reached
The call screen is on.
Record a message after the tone. Goodbye.
This is going
This
to
is
be a
going to be a
feedback freak show because I didn't turn the call screen off. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, looks like we have flashing new. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not, but whoa. It is the word message is flashing, which is kind of cool. Presumably the word in use will light up also. Yeah, it does. It's kind of cool. Oops. Okay. Now let's play our messages here.
1 new message and 9 old messages.
This is going to be a feedback freak show because I didn't turn the call screen off. Goodbye.
It sounds kind of jittery.
This is going to be a feedback freak show because I didn't turn the call screen off. Goodbye.
Huh.
Sunday, 5:34 p.m. End of messages.
Alright, let me call out from this and we'll see what we can do here with the phone call. Call it a test phone. Oops, I forgot to dial 1. I don't understand why they don't put the 1 in there by themselves if they know that you need it. Oh, doggone it. Oh yeah, my number, that's good to have on the video. Forgot about that. Now I have to edit the video. Stop feeding back. 1, 2, 3. Check. It sounds like it's working correctly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Check. Okay, this is muted. Testing again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Okay, that seems to be working. We'll intercom this over to the base. We got this on the speaker? Hello? No, we can't intercom on speaker. That's kind of cool. So now the call is on hold. The intercom seems to be working. So I'm going to attempt to transfer over to the call. I think I can press the hold button and get to the call.
Okay, now we are on speakerphone. Testing 1, 2, 3.
It does appear to be working. Check, check, check. 1. Okay. Maybe it's not working. Something wrong with my test phone? Hello? 1, 2, 3. Is my test phone not working for some reason? Oh, you know what? Maybe. Check, check. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Hello? Hello, hello? What's going on with the phone here? Check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Is my cordless phone here not getting a good signal?
Seems like
it's working okay now.
I'm
not sure what that problem was.
Transmitting into the base. Testing. Gotta put it on speaker, otherwise you're not gonna hear it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Feedback. Check, check. 1, 2, 3 on the handset. It's not breaking up anymore. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have to test out my test phone. I don't think this is getting a good reception for some reason. Anyways, I don't know what it is down here. I can't get a good reception on any phones down here. Even the other cordless phones have a problem down here too. Anyways, I guess there's just too much hashes in there. Alright, well, it seems to work. So, oh no, we gotta test out the buttons. I always thought it was kind of cool. This has a different sound for the answering machine. Okay, that looks good.
Ringer off. Ring.
Hello, you've reached a goose.
I probably should get that off of there.
Greeting has been deleted. Record memo message.
Does the memo recorder work?
1 new message and 9 old messages.
Does the memo recorder work?
Seems to work fine.
End of messages. 9 old.
That seems to work. Okay, I think that's all the buttons that are on here. Okay, well that's going to wrap up this initial checkout. This seems to be good and ready for refurbishing. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.